Good evening, ma'am. Nungod po, ma'am. Start na. So, afflictive penalties and duration of penalties. Number 1, death or the capital punishment suspended by the Republic Act 9346. Next is reclusion perpetua, 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Next is reclusion temporal, 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Next is prison mayor or temporary disqualification, 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. And then the correctional penalties. So, prison penalties, 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. The same with the destierro or suspension, 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Next is the arresto mayor, 30 days and 1 day to 6 months. And the last in the light penalties, arresto minor, 1 day to 30 days. And then, second is public censure or ban to keep the peace is a duty of the court to lay down.